Do you want to know how to make easy macarons? Let's find out. First, separate your egg whites. Set them aside. Into a food processor, add almond flour, icing sugar and salt. Pulse the mixture to make it fine. Add a pinch of salt into your egg whites. Whisk until soft peaks form. Slowly add the granulated sugar until you have stiff peaks. You should be able to turn the bowl upside down and nothing will fall out. Add the food colouring and vanilla and mix until just combined. Zest the almond flour and sugar mixture into the egg white a third at a time. Fold it in slowly and gently. Once combined, the mixture should fall in ribbons. Pop the mixture into a piping bag. Pipe out the macarons. Try to keep them even. Tap your tray on a surface. Let your macarons sit for about an hour before you put them in the oven. Ask an adult to help. Once cooked, allow your macarons to cool completely. In a bowl, mix coconut oil with icing sugar. Add the zest of a lime. Once the macarons are cool, pipe the filling and sandwich the halves together.